Yo, it is currently Thursday, August 19th, 8:36 in the morning, and my daily bias is a little bit neutral at the moment. I do want to see ES take these equal highs, which it is running up towards at the moment, and then see how we react off of that. Like, if we're going to continue bullish and, like, completely just sprint through this, then I'm definitely going to look for something to these Asia London highs on NQ or even yesterday's Asia London highs. But if we are gonna reject this, like even if we tap it and then start displacing downwards, gonna look for London low or even yesterday's AM low. So yeah, at the moment we have Trump speaking, and then nothing else important for the rest of the day. He started speaking at about 8. I'm not sure if he's started exactly at 8 or still on what time he gets off, but we'll see how it is looking during like when session opens. So yeah, it's being a little bit more discretionary. Gonna wait and see what price gives me. So I'll catch you in about an hour when market's open. All right, so we're operating inside of the 15. Market open is in 5 seconds. Well, 6. Okay, so wick down and fucking shot up. Still have these equal highs here. The London up. Okay, now it's. And there's London without getting an entry because this shit just pumped. And probably AM lows now, hunting them. And we killed AM lows too. So, we didn't take London low on ES minis, but on micros we did. Might open up this 5, maybe target it lower. So the thing right now that I'm thinking about is that ES on minis does have London lows still available. So like if we take a short, it's not terrible, but we need to tap back in. Let me go to this AM low from the 12th, week ago. Gonna wait and see our reaction out of this 5 minute. This like the general idea right here. But like let's say we inverse this 5 minute, I'm gonna look for something higher. Like if we were to inverse this, so just gonna be patient. Oh, we're rejecting this inverse now, but ES is still pumping, so I'm not gonna go against that. I'm hoping that inverse I get like a tap back into it and then look for Asia high. So it'd be like yeah. So ES hunted out those equal highs, London high. Now it's dumping off again. Yeah, this 2 minute was looking at it, but because of this displacement was nice off of this 5, and we completely flipped, and it just like it wasn't fully convincing at first. Like I wasn't really prepared for it to be like completely just dumped like that. But once it did, it would have been the lower 2 minute, but would have never gotten filled. It's just minis for ES still hasn't taken this London low, and we're trading way below it. Shit's all the way up here. Very uncorrelated right now. We're about 20 minutes in, still continuing this bearish pressure while ES is being a little bit wonky. On minis, we never took out this London low. Micros, we did. So maybe open up a little 5 right here, tap it in, AM lows, 812 AM lows. So that's what I'm anticipating at the moment. So let's see. Got this 3 minute inverse, but it's not speaking to me. Why the fuck did me and Will just say the same shit at the same time? That was kind of that was kind of that was kind of hot. Not gonna lie. Will, if you're watching this, we said it's not speaking to me on this 3 minute. All right, 10 a.m. now. Still no entry. Still no anything. I'm definitely kind of leaning bearish at the moment. Still looking bearish, but haven't gotten anything to take. So, you watched it Friday, right?
Yeah. Shitty day. I didn't take a trade. Wi-Fi went out, but I'll catch you during PTC to explain more. Yo, so 4:47 right now, and I'm back with the PTC. Today I will say wasn't my day. I definitely will say I missed out on a good primed opportunity today. I will 100% say that, and it is all my fault today. I take 100% of the blame. I learned a lot though about myself today. Not a lot. I don't want to say I learned a lot, but like I learned something about myself today. Like really, actually learned something. I have an issue where, kind of, if something goes wrong, I lose my focus, and I've learned that I'm saying I learned that fully, really, and now I'm able to say it is because it's happened to me when I've been trading a couple times. As far as when the chart freezes, as far as when it's lagging behind, I lose my focus and I will miss out on opportunities. Today I had the same thing happen. The recording is so short today because my Wi-Fi decided to bug out and just shut down. And yeah, so I lost my focus. My Wi-Fi literally went out as I would have entered this trade. At 10:15, my Wi-Fi went out, which if we look at the recording is probably like when it shut down. And it didn't come back in until about this leg, and on this price leg, I was already like, should I enter? Spent these 5 minutes like, it probably came back like at 2.5 minutes, 2 minutes on this price leg left, and I was already like, I hadn't reviewed it because my boy came by. I was teaching him a couple of the things, so I wasn't really 100% focused. I didn't even notice we tapped into this 15. If I would have seen we tapped into this 15, I would have probably been more confident entering. So yeah, it was just because my Wi-Fi went out. I missed out on this trade, and it's not because my Wi-Fi went out. My Wi-Fi went out and I lost focus. I need to be able to maintain focus all the way throughout. I still had a chance to enter because we closed here. My limit, it would have went up, down, even when this was going up. But I didn't even notice that it was out of a 15-minute. I wasn't attentive. So that's on me today. Today I missed out on passing my account, and it was all my fault. And that's okay because I'm taking accountability and recognizing why that is. But yeah, I wasn't focused at all. I had my boy here. I'm not blaming him. You know what I mean? Like I had my boy here. We was learning. I was going over stuff. He wanted to learn trading. Like he's getting into it. So I'm teaching him this, and that. We're sitting here talking, and my Wi-Fi just went out. And then there's when I lost my focus entirely. I didn't even recognize that this was coming out of a 15-minute. I didn't recognize that this was a 5-minute. I just lost my focus. And I'm like, yo, what the fuck's up with my Wi-Fi? We pay this expensive ass bill. I got my shit Etherneted. I got my shit all kitted up. My Wi-Fi router's right here. We got the Ethernet cord and everything. Like, you know what I mean? So I don't expect that shit. That shit's never happened before. Only ever happened during a storm. So lost my focus, missed out on an opportunity. Long story short, I need to be more focused. I need to stop letting little things throw me off. It's happened time and time again, and it's costed me time and time again. So I'm glad I'm able to recognize it fully and fully accept it now. And, the market's been presenting itself a little more. That's 3 days in a row we've had opportunities. There's 8 more trading days this month. Let's stay focused. Stay focused. And let's try to pass these accounts, bro. I've been saying that every day, and I'm going to continue to say it. Because I need to speak it into existence that these accounts are passed. My Boondocks is getting passed this week. I can tell you that. It needs $360. That's one trade. I'll get a trade in the next 3 days. This one needs 2 trades. So probably next week, I'd say that this one gets passed. So yeah. So now I will be catching you guys tomorrow. Today's shorter fucking video because my PTC is probably longer than the actual trading part because my Wi-Fi did go out and I had to stop recording and all that, and then I never started it up again because I got sidetracked. Missed out on the trade, Wi-Fi was bugging, and my boy was here, so I was just teaching him some stuff. Like, he was watching it live, asking me about things. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Not hopefully, but new opportunities will present itself. As long as I stay focused and stay attentive, I will be able to act upon these new opportunities that are showing themselves. So yeah, you guys take care.